Well, another innovation that we have is what we call 9102. Great solution for honeycomb bonding. And I know for a fact you guys have had some great success with this product.
Yeah, we had one of the major manufacturers of what we call, or what's known in the industry, honeycomb composite stone. So by going to a honeycomb composite material, so here you can see this product, this is a thinner stone with a honeycomb composite panel laminated to it, allows you to have that same look and feel of a architectural dimensional stone, but at a fraction of the weight. And this really has so many downstream benefits for bringing down installation costs, bringing down liability, making the mounting of the panel so much easier.
Right.
So that's what the 9102 brings, and it's really a highly effective product for those kinds of applications.